define me,
You define me,
my potential insight.
and what is the sunset?
Today I pledge
Rabbit,
with all my might,
all my mind,
I shall achieve you
I touch you,
my potential insight.
my what is the sunset?
Yes, everyone, good morning. Good morning, aloud. Good morning, Manila ma'am. Good morning. Yes, good morning, children. Ready for the warm-up activity? Yes, good morning. Ready for the warm-up activity? Come on.
What's going on?
Run, run, run.
Ding, ding,
Run, run, run.
racing. Ding, ding. Bam, bam. Ding, ding, ding. Bam, bam, bam. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, oh. Ding, ding, ding. Bam, bam, bam. Ding, ding, ding. Racing. Ding, ding.
Break it.
Run, run, run. Run, Olivia.
Break it.
Run, run, run. Run, Olivia. Very good. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back, children. Very good, Dashwan. Very good, Hazel.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Jason. Keshav. Very good, Keshav.
Iya, Mam.
Very good, Radhyani.
Ayam. Mama.
Very good, Marudwin. Next.
Iya, Mam.
Very good, Tara.
Iya, Mam.
Very good, Mananya. Sukrit Gautam.
Iya.
Very good, Sukrit Gautam. Next. Visha. 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 Visha is not there, huh?
நான் மியூட்ல இருந்தா சொல்லுமா.
Okay.
Iya, Mam.
Very good, Visha. Kavikartika. Very good, Kavikartika. Next.
Iya, Mam.
Very good, Mahilini. Next.
Ayam.
Very good, Mitra. Next.
Iya, Mam.
Very good, Tarneshwar. Next.
Morning, Mam. Iya, Mam.
Very good, Ma Varsha. Next.
Ayam.
Very good, Vihan. Children, clap hands for yourself.
Clap hands for yourself, Sukrit.
Clap hands for yourself louder. Do you know why? What is the reason? No absentees. Very good. Today there is no absentees. Everyone are present today. So clap hands for yourself. Very good. Okay. Shall we play color game? Yes, color. Okay. Stand up, all of you. Ready for the game? Stand up, all of you. Color. What color do you choose? Blue.
Ma'am,
Blue.
here I am,
Come
ma'am.
on, the blue color object. Blue.
சொல்லு.
Very good. Blue bottle, blue color uniform, good. Blue teddy, blue ball. Very good. Blue cup. Well done, children. Very good. Next is color. What color do you choose? It is
மதுவந்தி
white.
மேம் சொல்லுமா.
White. What, ma Madhvanti?
அவ ஏரியா மேம் சொல்லிங்களா?
சொன்னாலே மதுவந்தி நான் மார்க் பண்ணிருக்கேனே இல்லையா? சரி நான் நெக்ஸ்ட் காமிக்கிறேன் மதுவந்தி. மார்க் பண்ணிட்டேன் மேம். ஓகே?
சரிங்க.
Come on, bring the color white. White. Very good. Remote. Teddy. Pillow. White. Paper. Dress. Towel. Hat. Very good. Toy. White color toy. Towel. Box. Rope. Very good. Well done. Color pencil. Very good. Comb. Very good. Well done. Next color. Color. What color do you choose? What color shall I say? It's going to be yellow. Yellow. T-shirt. Yellow color uniform T-shirt. Very good. Yellow crayons. Yellow sketch. Yellow color stump. Okay, good. Yellow snacks box. Yellow toy. Good.
அப்படியே காமிடி.
Yellow color toy. Good. That's what I said. Yellow color ball. Book. Book back is yellow in color. I think it's green. Yellow. Fine. Good. Very good. Now the final color. Ready? Color. What color do you choose? Orange. Very good. Orange ball. Orange color toy. Bat. Okay, good. Orange again a toy. Dress. Papaya. Varsha, is it papaya? Good. Well done. Again a ball. Toy. Something. Good. Very good. Well done. Okay, now keep your toys aside. Sit down all of you. Okay, sit down, all of you. Okay, now we are going to sing the phonic rhymes. Okay, children, phonic rhymes for the letter, whatever I am showing you. Okay, one by one you will sing. Okay, first is for A. What is the phonic rhyme for A? What is the phonic rhyme? Ananya, phonic rhyme for A. Next is B. Hazel B. Hazel B. Ba. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Ba. Very good. Next is C. Varsha. C rhyme.
Trio kicking glass una. Kicking glass una. Trio kicking glass. Ka.
Very good, Varsha. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Very good. Sukriv Gautam. Sukriv Gautam. Sukriv Gautam. E rhyme. What is the phonic rhyme for E?
He sang, ma'am, actually.
Sanga, but I was not able to hear you. You have not unmuted himself. Okay, no problem. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Next is Keshav. Keshav. Phonic rhyme for F. Keshav. Keshav.
My finger on the fish, fish on the fish, and water on the wet.
Good. Well done, Keshav. Very good. Next is G. Sarah. G. Sarah. Water gurgles down the drain. Rhyme. Yeah, correct only. Very good. But sing the rhyme. Water gurgles down the drain. Water gurgles down the drain. Water gurgles down the drain with a Playing, naughty girl. Okay, fine. Next is Mitra. Mitra.
I need to hop, up and down. I like to hop, all around.
Ha. Good. Jason.
Jason also
Pinky the mouse.
my cat. My cat. The
The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Very good. Radhyani. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja. Next is Nisha. Nisha. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka. Next is Mahilini. All of you should sing, but don't unmute only once those are calling can unmute.
Little lollipops. Little lollipops.
Very good, Mahilini. Taruneshwar. Mom and the dad make many meals. Mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Next is N. Madhuvanti. N.
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Here the aeroplane.
சொல்றாங்க மேம்
Here the
சத்தமா சொல்லு
aeroplane.
கேட்கலையா
Here the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Next is O. Ananya. Ananya O. Oh, oh, only what is the rhyme? It's so dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Next is P. Varsha. Varsha P. P. Very good. What is the rhyme? Puff for the candles on the pink pig cake. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. Puff for the candles on the pink pig cake. Ha, ha, ha. Very good. Next is Q is squaw sound. R. Who knows for R? R. Come on, sing. You can sing, ma'am. See my dog, he ripped the rag. See my dog, he ripped the rag when he pulled so harsh. Mahini.
எஸ் சொல்லுங்க எஸ் சொல்லுங்க தெரியும்ல சொல்லுடா இல்ல அங்க பாரு மேம் கேக்குறாங்க
In the grass.
ஆ
It is in the grass. Very good. Next is T. Who knows for T? T. T. When I watch the tennis play, cha 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 cha. When I watch the tennis play, my head goes from back and forth. Next is U. Who knows for you? Phonic rhyme for you. No one knows, huh? When it starts to rain. V. Drive big span round the village. Drive big span round the village. Drive big span round the village. Ooh. Okay. Next is W. I see the clouds moving. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the kites flying. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the trees bending. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The wind is blowing strong. Next is X. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. Why? I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. Have you ever heard a bee buzz? A bee buzz, a bee. Have you ever heard a bee buzz buzzing like this? Okay? Okay, children, we all now learned the phonic sound for all the alphabet, and the worksheet is also going to be related to that only. I want you to take worksheet number D06PH, phonic worksheet. Come on, all of you. D06 PH, phonic worksheet. Have sent you the message also to be ready with all those 4 worksheets. Hope you all have seen the message. Yes? Can you see my screen, children, all of you? If you are not able to see, pin Kidsy1395. You can see my screen, okay? Here you have the phonic worksheet D06PH phonic worksheet. Write today's date. Yesterday was 3. Today is, what date is today? No, anyone knows? 4. Today is 4 and the day is Wednesday. 4-8, month of August. 121.
Yeah, Uni.
Here what we are going to do is name the pictures. Tick the box if you hear the A sound. A. This worksheet, wherever you hear the A sound. A, A. Answer me A, A. Answer me A, A. Answer me they are causing me alarm. A. Wherever you hear the A sound, you have to tick it. First picture is anchor. A. You can hear the A sound, so tick it. Put a tick mark. Next is bat. 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 A sound. So tick bat. This is not like how we choose the pictures which is starting with the letter. This is related to the phonic sound. Phonic sound கேக்குறது மட்டும் தான் tick பண்ணணும் children. Okay. Next is cat. At. You can hear the A sound here. So tick the cat. And next is angry. Angry. So tick it. And next is alligator. Can you hear the A sound? Alligator. This also you can hear. So tick it. Alligator. Finished? Now the next worksheet is D07. B sound worksheet. Here also you are going to tick the pictures wherever you hear the B sound. B sound engalam kekudho adha tick panna poringa. Okay. First is bell. Bell. Can you hear the B sound in bell? Yes or no? Answer children. B sound kekudha bell la? Yes. So you have to tick it. Children, only when you answer, I can know your understanding. Children, please answer. Next is bathtub. Bathtub. Can you hear the B sound? Very good. Tick it.
Yes.
Next is cobbler. Cobbler. Can you hear the B here? Cobbler. Yes or no? Yes, you can hear the B. Blur. B. Cobbler. Next is bubbles. Can you hear the B sound? Bubbles. Yes or no? Bubbles.
Yes.
Yes, very good, Jason. So take it. Next is pot. You cannot hear the B sound here. Pot. P sound only you can hear. So you are going to cross out this. Here in this picture, you cannot hear the B sound. Pot picture la B sound kekla. So you are going to cross out that thing.
மேம் அந்த
Yes.
காப்ல வந்து டிக் போட்டிருக்கீங்களே அது பி சவுண்ட் வருதா
Cobbler. B sound கேக்குறதுனால அதை டிக் பண்ணிருக்கோம். Cobbler. B.
Okay.
Blur ன்னு வருது. B.
அது இப்ப நம்ம ஸ்டார்டிங்ல வந்து அந்த ப வந்தாதான் போடணும் அப்படி இருக்கு அப்படின்னா
அப்படின்னு இல்ல. That's what in the starting itself I told you. இது வந்து வேர்ட் ஸ்டார்டிங் சவுண்ட் வச்சு போடுறது கிடையாது. இது வந்து சவுண்ட். அந்த சவுண்ட் கேட்டா டிக் பண்ணிடலாம் அந்த பிக்சர்.
ஓகே மேம் ஓகே
Finish children. Pot la p ot pot. There is no b sound. அதுல b sound இல்ல. So you are not going to take it. Next, take the C page. C phonic sound C page. And the worksheet number is D1010PH. D1010PH. Can anyone tell me whatever you can do for the C sound? Match the pictures to the C sound. Anyone has finished this worksheet? Can anyone tell me?
Where?
Cow.
Cat, very good. Then
Cow.
cow, very good. Then Carrot, very good. Then
என்ன சவுண்ட் வரும் கேர் சவுண்ட் ட்ரீ வராதுல்ல
tree, will you match tree? Tree, you can hear the ka sound. No, you cannot hear the ka sound in T. Okay. This house, can you hear the ka sound? Ka sound கேக்குதா ஹவுஸ்ல? No, you cannot hear, so don't. Cup. Cup. So match the cup. Okay. Cat, cow, carrot, cup. Next is D11, PH sheet, D sound. D11, D sound. D sound. Wherever you hear the D எங்கெல்லாம் sound கேக்குதோ, you have to take that picture. So first is dish. That is a dish. So tick it. Dish. Next is diamond. Diamond. Tick it. Third one, sandwich. Sandwich. In between you can hear the D sound. Not in the starting, initial and in the ending, but in the middle you can hear. Sand. Which. Sandwich. So tick it. Here, sad. Ending sound. D. Sad. So shall we tick it or not? D sound kekkuda. Can you hear the D sound? Yes, very good. Sad. Good. And then here, will you tick this caterpillar? No. Caterpillar, no D sound itself is there. So don't tick the caterpillar. What you will do instead? You will cross out. Caterpillar, D sound kekla. So you will not tick that caterpillar. And next you have the E and F.
Ma'am, once again, Ananya father, we could not able to take that page. From which book we need to take? Workbook 1, right?
You don't, I think Ananya will not have this sheet. I'll send you the copy of this. Only for Ananya.
Okay.
Already sent you some material. So I'll send you the sheet. No, don't worry. You just observe, ma.
Yeah, okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Or
I'll
else
send
even-
you Ananya's mom. End of the session, I'll send you.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
Next worksheet is G sound, E and F. We'll see tomorrow, children, E and F. Next is G sound.
On page number?
Worksheet number is D26PH. D26PH. We have done the G page, no? Gorilla. After that, you will have. G, G, G. What is the sound of G? G. Name the picture, stick the ball, hear the G sound. Has anyone finished this worksheet? Come on, let me know. Help ma'am how to finish this worksheet. G sound. Wherever you hear the G sound, you are going to take it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first picture is pig. In pig, can you hear the G sound? Pig.
The sound is the-
Yes, very good. Come on, take it. Pig. Pig. Next is gate.
Yeah.
Gate. Can you hear the G sound in gate?
Yes.
Yes or no? Only when you say yes or no, I'll tick it, children. Otherwise, I'll wait for you. Yes, you can hear the G sound. G. Next is star. Star la கேக்குதா G sound? No, very good. Star la you cannot hear the G sound. So what you do? என்ன பண்ணணும் இங்க star? என்ன பண்ணணும்? Cross it out. Okay. Next is goat. Goat get the girl sound. Yes, goat, goat. Tick it. Next is grapes. Grapes, can you hear the g sound in grape? Grapes. Yeah, very good. So tick it. Done? Finished?
Finish.
Finished, everyone. Yeah, very good, children. 1 minute, I'll tell you what is the next sheet that you have to take. 1 minute. Next is D26 MT. D26 MT.
Ma'am,
Yes?
Sukri is finding difficult to match the sounds, ma'am.
Sound slower சொல்லி கொடுங்க இந்த sheets today evening. You teach him slowly. Because observing is a little bit difficult only. They have to observe the sound first. G sound கேக்குதா?
He's
B
marking
sound
the
கேக்குதா?
sound with starting letter. He's marking like he's matching with the alphabets, but the other things and all he's not accepting.
Okay. 1 or 2 pictures only will come like that. Let us go with the initial sound itself in the beginning. Initial
ma'am.
sound அவங்களுக்கு கண்டுபிடிச்சு மேட்ச் பண்ண தெரிஞ்சா okay. Okay, in between sounds will help them in the future classes. No problem in that. Till Z will be having all these phonic worksheets, so need not worry. If they are able to identify the initial sound, A sound, B sound la ஆரம்பிக்குது, okay. If they are able to identify, that is well and good. In the middle sound and the ending sound, we'll guide them, no issues.
Okay.
Yeah, fine. D26 empty worksheet, children. Write today's date 4-8-2121. Can you see my screen? I've logged out. Huh? Can you see my worksheet screen, parents?
No, ma'am.
Nova.
No.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute, I'll take it. Yeah, be ready, children. Write today's date and be ready. 4-8-2121.
Ma'am, worksheet number.
D26 MT. Now can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. No visible, ma'am.
4-8-2121. Regarding the recap of phonics, you can use that My Word Trip book itself. In that itself, they can find the A sound, B sound, K sound, everything. You can guide them in that book, through that book itself. Okay, the first thing, count the number of objects and write the correct number in each box. We are going to count and write. So how will you count? This is group of 10. No one should count 1, 2, 3, 4. னு யாரும் count பண்ணக்கூடாது. No one should count. Group of 10. After 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13 in the box. 1, 3, 13. Next is group of 10 flowers. Group of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. Finish. Next is oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good, Vihan. Can you please wait for ma'am? Vihan, how did you write 4 here? Show me your worksheet. How did you write? You have 2 boxes. Which box did you write for? Children, this is little bit complicated. Kindly look at the screen. How to write. Parents also. You should not ask them to write 4 here. That is wrong. No one should write 4 in this box. Instead, we are going to write 0 here. Children, 0 here. Later you will be learning ones and tens place. So now it's enough if you write like this. 0 and 4 here. No one should write in the first box. Quiz poster. Quiz. 0 and 4. Yes, if you have written it wrongly, please erase and write it again. 0 and 4. No one should write 4 in the first box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How will you write 7? The same way, children. How you wrote 4? The same way. 7 in which box you should write? First box or second box? In the box la 7 எழுதணும். First box or second box?
Second box.
Where will you write? Second box. Very good. First box, what will write? 0. Good ma Madhuvanti. 0 first box and then 7 in the second box. Only 2-digit number first box la irundhu எழுதணும். 2-digit number வந்தா மட்டும்தான் first box ல இருந்து எழுதணும். Okay? 1-digit number you should not write from the first box. Next is straws. Group of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This you can write from the first box. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Finish?
ma'am.
Yeah, very good, children. The next page, D26 empty. The next page will be having missing numbers. That also will finish. Take it out. The flower page you will have like this. I'm not going to teach you this time. We have already done this worksheet. Okay, so you yourself should do today. I'm going to check whether you are able to do. Parents, please don't teach them. Kindly observe whether they are able to do. Children, this is a test for you. You yourself are going to do.
Can you repeat the page number alone?
D26 empty. Next to this page itself you will have. Now we did one sheet, no?
Okay.
Now we did this sheet, right? Next to this sheet
yeah.
itself you will have.
Okay.
Got it, huh?
Got it, ma'am. Got it.
Yeah, thank you. Children, do it on your own. No cheating. Do it on your own. If you don't know the number from the beginning, solli paathu எழுதணும். If suppose you don't know in between what number, here if you don't know how to write this box. Here and all you are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. What will come after 7 if you don't know? உங்களுக்கு தெரியல அப்படின்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்து சொல்லி பார்க்கணும். 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and what will come here? What will come after 7? What will come anyone? 8. So you will write 8 here. Okay, like that you have to do. Come on. Easy only you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes only. Come on. Road count and do it, children. Who finished?
Ma'am, Nita also finished.
Visha, very good, Visha. Very fast. Good. Mitra also very good. Visha, very good. Mitra. Sukriv Gautam. Why Sukriv Gautam is not writing?
Yeah, ma'am, he's not.
Why, what happened to Sukriv Gautam nowadays? What marks? Very good, Jason. Someone write Sukriv. I'll give you a gift. Someone write.
He's chocolate.
You write only, you'll get gift. Come on. Right now. Good boy, no? நல்ல பிள்ளை தானே. Come on, எழுதுங்க.
அது தெரியல நான் தெரியல
உன் friend Visha பாரு, முடிச்சிட்டா. See, Visha finished.
ஏய் தீஷாலா முடிச்சிட்டா
Very good. Madhuri finished. Keshav finished. Very good. Well done. Vihan also finished. Good. Very good, Hazel. Hazel is doing on her own. Good. Children, try to do it on your own. If you don't know also, you wrote count and see. Number 1 lende solli pathina, you will know what will come next. Radhyani also good. Mahini good. Radhyani didn't finish up. Jason finish amma?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good boy, Jason.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Radhyani finish ah?
Finished, ma'am.
You yourself finished ah? Radhyani avங்களே பண்ணிட்டாங்களா?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Radhyani. Super. Hazel also finished ah?
மேம் அது நேத்தே ஃபினிஷ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க ஹோம்வொர்க்னு நினைச்சு
அப்படியா முடிச்சிட்டீங்களா?
ஹோம்வொர்க்னு நினைச்சு ஃபினிஷ் பண்ண அவங்க அம்மா ஃபினிஷ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க
Okay, no problem.
she did it on her own நேத்து
Okay, no problem. Varsha finish? Varsha? Finish amma, very good ma. Still who is doing?
One number.
Darshan finish, very good.
Finished, ma'am.
Well done, very good. Finished everyone? Those are finished. Take your English notebook, children. Take your 4-line notebook. Those are finished. Write today's date and be ready.
Ma'am, Rudvin.
Yeah, Rudvin. Rudvin, எழுதி வச்சிருக்கீங்களா?
Yes, ma'am.
Super. Very good, Rudvin amma.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Good.
you wait for the
Yeah, I'll wait. Yesterday itself I asked you to wait, but you only have gone.
No, ma'am. Power cut, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah, today I'll wait. No issues. Take your English notebook, other children. Take your English notebook. Parents, draw a big mango and assertedly write A to G, small letters. We are going to circle the letters. Big mango, and inside that write A to G. Children, be ready with your crayon or color pencil. Rudvin amma, Rudvin capital letters எழுதி கொடுங்க, circle பண்றாங்களான்னு பார்க்கலாம்.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, sorry.
Capital letters.
Mango. You should draw a mango.
Yeah, you can draw a mango or apple, whatever fruit you can draw, you can draw.
Me.
If you're not able to draw a mango, you can draw an apple.
ஓகே நானா அவளா மேடம்?
நீங்க தான் வரையணும், பெருசா வரையணும், நீங்க தான் வரையணும்.
ஓகே ஆப்பிள்.
அந்த ஃபுல் பேஜ் கவர் ஆகுற மாதிரி வரைங்க. பேரண்ட்ஸ் டோன்ட் draw a small mango and don't write congested also. நல்ல பெருசா வரைஞ்சி நல்ல ஸ்பேஸ் விட்டு எழுதி கொடுங்க. A to G also you yourself can write, parents. Let them just circle.
மேம் ஸ்மால் ஏபிசிடிங்களா?
Small ABC, small A to G.
Small ABC till Z, Z, or only few letters.
One time, right? Only one time. Ma'am, A to G one time, right?
Sorry?
A to G one time, right? Like multiple.
Yeah, A to G. Assortedly you write and give it to them inside that picture. We have already done, no, inside that balloon and all, balloon circle and all, like that only. You want me to draw and show?
No, ma'am. I'm just asking whether one time or multiple times. That's it.
Only one time if you write enough. Ready, children? Shall we start? Yeah. Yes? Yeah. Ready. Jason ready. Mitra ready. Hazel ready.
மேம் ஐ டென்ட் இல்ல A to G னா ஒரு ஜஸ்ட் 2 லைன்ஸ் தான் வருது.
ஏற்கனவே இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டி பண்ணிருக்கோம்ல மைனிஸ் அப்பா.
இல்ல மேம் நான்
Yeah, 1 minute I'll draw and show you the same way you can do. 1 minute.
வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க.
Children, you all have sent your homework. I have noted down, but a small issue is there with my mobile, so I'm not able to edit it. Today I'll sort it out and check and send your homeworks today definitely, okay? Like this, you are going to draw a mango.
ரப்பர்.
And inside it, நல்லா இடம் விட்டு எழுதுங்க.
ஓகே.
Okay, Mylin's dad?
Yes ma'am, I got it.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Everyone clear? Orderல எழுதி கொடுக்காதீங்க. Assortedly write and give it to them. Shall we start, children? Time up.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
என்ன தெரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? வெயிட்
Madhvanti.
பண்ணனும் சொல்லுவோம்.
Madhvanti, your photo is here. Happy?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Yeah, children, first letter is E. Small letter E. Eggs in the pan. That one. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. And the next letter, children, B is front curve, standing line and front curve. B. Don't confuse with B and D. Backside curve is D. Okay, when the curve comes on the back of the standing line, it is D. Standing line ku pinnadi vandaduna, it is D. Front la vandaduna, adu B. Okay, don't confuse yourself. Okay, next letter is we are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. C. Next is F. My friends and I went to the beach. with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. Finish. Next is see me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play up on my drum D. D. Finish. And so my and so my and so my arm, they're causing me alarm. Ah. Ah. Finish. Water gurgles down the drain. Water gurgles down the drain. Water gurgles down the drain with a ga 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 G. Very good, children. Everyone is working hard. G.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, all the letters are over.
மேம்
Yes,
பட் அந்த பிக்கும் டிக்கும் டிஃபரன்ஸ்ல இன்னும் அந்த கன்ஃபியூஷன் இருக்கு மேம்.
அதுக்கு பண்ணதான் சரியாகும்.
ஓகே மேம் பட் மத்ததெல்லாம் அந்த பி டிக்கு மட்டும் தான் கன்ஃபியூஷன்.
Whenever you are teaching them also, B front curve, D
Yes, ma'am.
back side curve. சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருந்தீங்கன்னா ஓகே ஆயிடும்.
ஓகே மேம் தேங்க்ஸ்.
Very good, children. All of you identified correctly. Parents, did they identify correctly? Parents,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Finding difficult to identify. Everyone identified correctly.
Sara also identified, ma'am, all letters.
Very good, Tara. Super, rock star. Okay, next. Everyone, no problem, right? Everyone are able to identify.
Ma'am, Jason B
If
and
your
D.
child is facing any identifying, D and D are removed all the year. எல்லா இயரும் இந்த ப்ராப்ளம்
Okay, ma'am, I'll do practice.
B and D, don't worry. Whenever you find time, B front curve, D back curve, guide பண்ணீங்கனாலே போதும். They will be clear in that. Okay. So very good. Clap hands for yourself, children. Come on, loudly clap hands for yourself. Give a high five to your parents. They drew and give you a big mango, right? High five to your parents. Mummy, daddy, யார் இருந்தாலும் ஒரு high five கொடுங்க. Then ma'am க்கு ஒரு high five கொடுங்க. High five to ma'am. Yeah, very good. Thank you, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.